Hey guys, this is Spencer from Buildapreneur, and in this video we're going to show you a super easy method for exploding a YouTube channel without ever having to put your own face or your own voice onto that channel. Okay, so if you're not comfortable or you don't have the equipment or whatever your reasoning is for not wanting yourself to be the face of your YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how you can get results like these. So you can see $1,000 in revenue from a single video, 2,000 subscribers, thousands and thousands of hours in watch time and views, all from one single 3-minute video. Okay, and this video doesn't involve me at all. No one could even tell that I was the producer of this video, and the video total cost was less than $50. Okay, I think I've got everyone's interest a little piqued. Let's watch the video real quick and see what we're looking at here.
Hello and welcome to Beginning Stock Trader. Today we will learn about what makes the price of a stock move up or down. To understand what makes stocks and shares prices move, you must first understand a few things.
Okay, how's the video? Oh, by the way, that's not my hand writing. You can see this, that this is my hand, that is not my hand. So this is what's called a whiteboard video, okay? And it works really well on YouTube for searches that are like, what is, or how does this work? Things like that they're just looking for a quick explainer video, okay? People love whiteboard videos in this situation because they actually work better than just someone talking because they can show you what we're talking about on the screen. So this isn't the kind of video you'll do with a 10 or 15 minute video. You'll do this with 2, 3, 4 minute videos, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a list and you're gonna do keyword research. If you don't know how to do keyword research, click this link right here. There's a video about it, but I'm not gonna talk about it in this video. You're gonna do some keyword research and come up with some cool video ideas, okay? And then what you've gotta do is you've gotta get a word for word script, okay? So you can write that yourself, and for me on a 2 to 3 minute video, I just write it out myself. But if you're not comfortable writing it out yourself, you're gonna use a site. There's a site called iWriter.com. Okay, you can go to iWriter.com and you can actually create a script yourself. All you've got to do is order content, and then you'll order this content and say, hey, I want a script on how the stock market works, or how I'm freezing up here. How weight loss can affect this. There's lots of different kinds of videos that work for this particular video type. But anyway, you're gonna tell them that, and then you're gonna tell them in the actual project, you're gonna say, hey, by the way, this is a whiteboard video. I just need you to write down a script for a YouTube video. You're not writing a blog post or something. You're writing a script, okay? And they'll spit you out a script for a 2 to 3 minute video. It'll cost you maybe $10, $15, okay? You'll get a script from iWriter. And now what we've got to do is we've got to go to a site called Fiverr.com. You can see on the screen here, Fiverr.com. And the first thing we need is the voice, okay? So we're going to order a voice actor. You're going to type in voice actor at the top here, and it's going to pull up a bunch of different voice actors. Let's click play.
Greetings! I'm Talon Winchester. If you're looking for a voice actor for your next project, whether you need someone for, say...
Okay, so high quality voice actor, you can see starts at about $10, depending on the length of your video. You might be 15, you might be $20, but fairly cheap. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna send him your script, and you're gonna give him any special instructions that you might have. Hopefully you're not super picky. For mine, I just sent it over and said, hey, read this in a way that makes sense. Actually read it over and use voice inflections and stuff at points that it makes sense. And that's what he did. Okay, now we're gonna use Fiverr again, and we're gonna type in whiteboard video. Okay. And you can see here for all kinds of different prices, including $30, $50, $100, $55, $40, you can get someone to make you a whiteboard video. And all you're going to do is you're going to hand them the script, you're going to hand them the voice recording, you're going to send them any kind of special instructions like, hey, I'd really like you to draw something out here or something out here. And if you're picky, you'll really want to do that. Add it in your script in red or something. Say, hey, I think you should draw this here. And then they will send you over the whiteboard video, and you've now got a complete YouTube video. Your total cost there is probably $60 to $70 if you had someone else write out the script. If not, your total cost is probably $40 to $50, and you've got an awesome YouTube video that has the potential to bring in numbers like this, okay? So I think we kept the video really short. It really, really is a very, very easy concept. Do keyword research, write a script, upload it to Fiverr, take what Fiverr gives you and hire another Fiverr gig for the whiteboard video and upload that to YouTube, okay? Next video coming right up is how you can actually make money off those videos, how to monetize a YouTube video. So you're absolutely gonna wanna watch that one next. If you've learned something, give me that tip, give me that thumbs up, that helps me. And then go ahead and watch the next video and click subscribe. Thank you.